Dogs, humanity's ancient best friend. Dogs have been intertwined with human history for over 14,000 years, found in ancient graves and art across continents. They've hunted, protected, hauled, herded, and provided companionship globally, proving their deep bond. Snakes' mysterious evolutionary past. With over 4,000 species, snakes' origins are debated. Their sparse fossil record makes it hard to pinpoint what drove the evolution of their limbless body plan, with evidence suggesting early exploration of diverse environments. Can Australia restore lost ecosystems? Australia's unique nature is struggling, with many mammals, birds, and insects facing collapse. Despite pledges to restore nature, bringing back lost ecosystems poses a monumental challenge due to environmental degradation. New peptide delivery for therapies. Rice University engineers developed a charge-based strategy to control therapeutic peptide release from gelatin materials. This innovation could significantly improve tissue engineering and targeted drug delivery. Butterflies shift ranges globally. A global study of 1,758 butterfly species shows 80% expanded their range due to climate change, while 27% contracted. These significant shifts, including changes in elevation, highlight how climate change is reshaping insect distributions.